Good morning. So I am here in our school, Pampanga Philippines. Prior to pandemic, this school was surrounded by many students roaming around the school campus. But because of pandemic today, now we can see that the school is very peaceful and very quiet. We are missing our students, their noise, their laughters, their their actions, running, cleaning, and organizing all the things inside their classroom. This is one of the humble school in the province of Pampanga, Philippines. There you see it. The school was located in one of the rural areas, province of Pampanga.